Ryan's adventure abroad. Ryan always dreamed of traveling. He wanted to visit a new country. He heard many exciting stories about traveling. One day, his dream came true. Ryan packed his bags. He was very excited. He got on the plane. His heart was beating fast. But Ryan had a problem. He did not speak much English. He only knew a few words. He felt nervous. How will I talk to people? Ryan wondered. What if I get lost? But Ryan told himself, I will try my best. The plane landed. Ryan stepped off the plane. He was in a new country. Everything felt different. The people, the sounds, the language, it was all new. Ryan needed a taxi. He saw a man and asked, "Where is the taxi?" The man spoke very fast. Ryan could not understand him. Ryan said, "Can you speak slowly?" The man smiled and spoke again. This time, Ryan understood. He found a taxi and felt happy. I can do this, Ryan thought. Ryan was hungry. He walked into a cafe. The menu was in English. Ryan could not read the words. He asked, "Can I have coffee?" The cashier smiled and asked, "What kind of coffee?" Ryan did not know what to say. He felt shy. The cashier pointed to a picture. Ryan said, "Yes, that one." He paid and said, "Thank you." Ryan felt better. I am learning, he thought. The next day, Ryan went to a park. He saw people playing soccer. Ryan wanted to join them. He walked up and said, "Hi, I'm Ryan." The people smiled. They asked, "Where are you from?" Ryan said, "I am from Canada." The people said, "Welcome." Ryan felt proud. He had spoken English. One day, Ryan got lost. He could not find his way. He wanted to go to the train station. Ryan asked a man, "How do I get to the station?" The man spoke too fast. Ryan did not understand. Ryan said, "Can you say it again, slowly?" The man smiled and repeated his words. Ryan understood some of them. "Thank you," Ryan said. He felt proud. Ryan practiced English every day. He learned new words like please, thank you, and bread. He read signs on the streets. He listened to people talk. One day, he went into a shop. He asked, "Where is the bread?" The shopkeeper pointed and said, "Over there." Ryan thanked her and smiled. Each day, Ryan tried speaking more. At the cafe, he said, "Can I have a sandwich?" Sometimes it was hard, but he kept trying. Ryan was getting better. After 1 week, Ryan felt confident. He sat with some locals at a cafe. They asked, "Do you like movies?" Ryan said, "Yes, I love movies." They talked about their favorite movies. Ryan joined the conversation. He understood many words. He felt very happy. I am improving, Ryan thought. One day, Ryan saw a tourist. She looked confused. She asked, "Where is the bus stop?" Ryan smiled. He knew the answer. Go straight and turn left, Ryan said. The tourist said, "Thank you." Ryan felt proud. He had helped someone in English. I am learning and growing, Ryan thought. Ryan's trip was ending. He stood at the airport, waiting for his flight. He thought about his adventure. He remembered the hard moments. He also remembered his progress. I can speak English now, Ryan thought. He felt proud of himself. Ryan knew his journey was not over. When he got home, he would keep practicing. Now, let's review the words Ryan learned. 1. Adventure. An exciting journey. 2. Nervous. Feeling worried or unsure. 3. Practice. Doing something many times to get better. 4. Confident. Feeling sure of yourself. 5. Lost. Not knowing where you are. 6. Kind. Being nice to others. 7. Understand. To know the meaning of something. 8. Help. To give support or solve a problem. 9. Proud. Feeling happy about what you did. 10. Improve. To get better at something. Ryan's story shows the power of practice. He made mistakes but did not give up. Every day, Ryan got better. If Ryan can do it, you can too. Start small. Practice every day. One day, you will speak English with confidence. Thank you for watching today's story. If you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe to help us grow. We really appreciate your support. See you in the next video.